Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. If your Android phone is very slow and it lags a lot while using applications and files, then this video is for you. At the end of the video, your lagging issue will definitely be solved. So let's start the video. The application which I am using to solve this lagging issue is known as Hibernator. To download this app, simply go to your Play Store and search for Hibernator. Click on install and download this application. Then open it and give permissions. After that you can see its interface. Here you can see your RAM statistics. You can also see launched applications and closed applications. Now to launch this application, simply click on this blue button. It will analyze all the applications using RAM of your phone and where is it possible to clean your RAM. It will clear the RAM automatically, which makes your phone faster than usual. Now you can see that your phone RAM is cleared and much RAM is available. Now applying Hibernator Analyzer. So that's it for the video. I hope this video helps you a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.